Hi, beautiful souls. This is Sarah Ariana, and it came through very strongly this morning from the divine, from the shamans, from the galactics, to record this light language for all of us. You're going to be seeing footage from a walk that I took yesterday in the woods, and also nature pictures of trees and the beauty of this world. There are big changes coming, and it is so important to ground our energies right now. These changes are not fear. These are incredible, magical synchronicities, events that are going to be happening in our life when we embrace the unknown, when we let go of the fear. And I can feel this wave coming for so many of us. So this light language is here to help you open up to the magic that is around us and open up to the abundance, to the incredible light that is now moving through us. I thank you all so much for being here. Blessings of love and light to all. Namaste. With your feet gently on the ground, your spine nice and straight, take a long, relaxing breath in through the nose, all the way down to the soles of your feet, pausing for a moment, and gentle sigh out through the mouth. Breathing in once more, in through the nose, all the way down into the belly, pausing, and gentle sigh out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose, into every part of your physical vessel now. Feeling the breath move into the crown, into the arms, into the hands, all the way down into the belly, the legs, and the feet. And gentle sigh out through the mouth. And continuing now with a relaxed rhythm of breath, slowly and deeply, with this light language transmission now. Ianushka alla sikiano kuana laina shoakaina okoina. Ground your energy, ground your energy, ground your energy. Olashkikuanak olak ina sika aloko uka ki alana kurana shi aloko warana ai alako ukashka alagambrana shkuyana. Deep within these roots is energy that holds space for your species. Ashakina lakuwana karana shiki oyama. Olaina rana lokuya yamayona la yamaya mayina o mam. Oya o my o my o. A deep grounding energy has entered your physical vessel, and there is sparkling golden light all around you now. Continue to breathe. There is an opening in your crown, your heart, your solar plexus, and your root. All four are aligning at this moment. There is DNA repair within the cells. Continue to gently breathe into the body. Exhale out. And there needs to be a moment of silence for the energy to settle, integrate, and be. We're going to take gentle breaths at this time, listening to the forest sounds and feeling your energy integrate. May this DNA repair and activation help you on your journey ahead and in this now moment. Namaste.